Hello everyone. So here a new question that we will solve. In that High-Tech Instrument Limited issued 5,000 9% debenture of 100 each at a premium of 20 payable on as follows: rupees 40, in which 10 rupees included. It is called at the time of application, and rupees 40 including premium, that is called at the time of allotment. So actually share was 100 rupees now, and 20 rupees premium on that. So 100 plus 20, so that is 120 is the value. 40 rupees on application and 40 rupees on allotment. So remaining amount, that is, if I deduct if I deduct 80 rupees from 120, remaining will be 40. So balance 40 rupees on first and final call. That is the case of installment method. So application received for debenture 5,000 debenture, and allotment was made to all the applicants. All the calls made and amount received. So no X, it means company issued 5,000 shares and received the same number of application. So no oversubscription is there. So that date is not given, so we can give the number. Bank account debit to debenture application, as it is explained that 40 rupees, so 40 into 5,000, so that will be total amount 2 lakh. I am not mentioning the narration here, you can easily find out in the books. Second entry, it is given in the question. In the question it is given that at 10 rupees premium for application and 10 rupees for allotment. So we will pass entry, that is debenture application account debit to 9% debenture, and 2, as I already cleared in the previous video, that whenever premium is there, so premium always credited, so that is 2 security premium. So for the purpose of understanding, you can solve it in that, you can write in that way, that 10 rupees on the premium and remaining 30 on the debenture. So 30 and multiply by 5,000 in the same way, that is 5,000. So that will be the amount of 1,50,000, and here 50,000. So total amount, that is 2 lakh. Now next entry, allotment. In the application we do bank entry first, but when allotment is there, so company will intimate to the debenture holder that your amount is due. So debenture allotment account debit to 9% debenture account to securities premium. Again the same amount is there, so 10 rupees at the time of premium, at the time of allotment on security premium, and 30 here. So that will be, and all it will multiply by 5,000. So that will be same amount as I have mentioned in the application, that will be here. So that will be 50,000. So total amount, that is 2 lakh. Then after bank account, next entry, bank account debit to debenture allotment. 2 lakh will be there. This total amount we have received from the debenture holder. And the last entry that I have already calculated, 40 rupees you called at the time of application, and 40 at the time of allotment, and 20 rupees premium. So 120 minus 80, 40 rupees remain. So again, debenture, first call, account, first call and final call you can write also. First call, first and final call. Account, debit to 9% debenture. So that will be 2 lakh, because 40 into 5,000. So that will be 2 lakh rupees. And here you will mention bank account, debit to first and final call. So that is also 2 lakh rupees. So that is the case when installment at the time of premium. First entry, that is bank to debenture application. After that, debenture application to 9% debenture, and security premium always we pass that entry with the due entry. And after that, because allotment due, so company will intimate you. Now after that you will that debenture holder will pay the amount. So bank account to debenture allotment. And next one, debenture first call and final call account debit to 9% debenture, and last one bank to first call. That we will solve. Issue of debenture at discount, amount received in installment. So here question you can see on your screen. Excel Industry Limited issued 2009% debenture 100 each at a discount of 4% payable, rupees 30 on application and balance on allotment. Now you can easily understand that thing, that 100 rupees is the value, and I have explained earlier that whatever be the discount amount, that will be deducted on the face value. So 100 at the 100 you will charge, you will calculate 4%, so that will be 4 rupees. And it is clearly mentioned that 30 on the application and balance on the allotment. Now question arises where we will show the discount entry in the application or allotment. So if it is not mentioned in the question, it is always mentioned at the time of allotment. So first entry we will pass, that is first entry. I hope you people know, or you have remembered the entry properly. Bank account, debit to debenture application. So total number of debenture, that is your 2000, and 2000 amount that you have to call, that is 30 rupees. So total 60,000 rupees company received. Now after that, second entry, because it is not mentioned in the question, that's why we will pass the discount entry at the time of allotment. So debenture application account debit to 9% debenture. So total, that is the same amount, 2000 into 30, so that will be 60,000. Now in the next entry, that is due entry. So debenture allotment account debit, and I already told in the previous video that discount will be debited because it is considered as a loss of the company. So discount on issue of debenture account to 9% debenture. I am not mentioning narration because you people already know how to. In the earlier videos, I have showed that how to write the narration, and easily you can find these things in your books. So I am not mentioning narration here. So that is, now how to calculate it, like value of share, that is 100 minus 30, so remain amount, that is 70, that you have to mention here. Now 70 out of that, 4 rupees is discount value that we have already calculated. So on that you have to multiply 2000, so that is 8000, and remaining, that is 4000, it means 66 into 2000, so that will be 1,32,000. So 90, total amount, that is 1,40,000. Now last entry, that is bank account debit to debenture allotment account. So whenever you buy any product on discount, so you need to pay the amount that you, only the amount which is remain after deducting the discount. So here we have to mention only 1,30,000, 32,000, and you can remember also in that way that debenture allotment amount will be same as it is mentioned in the due entry, 1,32,000 here and 1,32,000 here. So these two cases we have learn here, that is discount if it is not mentioned in the question regarding in which where at application or allotment or first call we have to mention. So always it is mentioned at the time of allotment, and discount always debited. So first entry, bank to debenture application, second debenture application to 9% debenture, third debenture allotment account debit, discount on issue of debenture account debit to 9% debenture, bank account debit to debenture allotment. So these entry you can pass and you can solve the question. Questions are not that much tough, easy questions are there, but you have to remember all the entries, because these entry also helpful in case of share question, that is also helpful for you.